your offering for your company. I do it.
Wait. Before you click off this video, I'm giving away some free stuff. First off, happy freaking New Year's, everyone. I want to just say thank you so much for all the support in 2022. I hope you enjoyed that video. That has most of my favorite shots from this year. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to share all of my favorite shots just because they're for clients, and certain shots I'm just not able to share yet. But yeah, I had a blast making that and just kind of reliving some of the coolest memories from this year. But to end the year, and honestly just to give you guys a big thank you for all the constant support, I wanted to do a giveaway to end 2022 and start 2023. Alright, so you're probably wondering what the prizes are. First off, the winner of this giveaway is going to be... where did I put it? Getting a brand new GoPro Hero 11 Mini, courtesy of my friends over at GoPro. So GoPro, thank you guys for providing this. Well, not this exact one because I've used this one, but a new one. The GoPro Mini is my favorite camera on the market right now for FPV. And then last but not least, I'm gonna be giving away $200 of my own cash. And hopefully whoever wins that will just use it to either get into FPV, upgrade their current system, or, you know, blow it at the club or something. The rules to enter are super simple. Number one, hit the like button and just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Number two, just drop a comment down below. And then lastly, just follow me on Instagram. My handle is right here. Again, thank you so much for all the constant support throughout 2022. 2023 is gonna be a big year. I have a ton of really cool stuff that I'm planning on doing. Good luck with the giveaways, and thank you again for all the support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.